Ji, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Hussam Iftikhar yet again with another podcast, and today we have another special guest with us, which जो मेरे लिए तो बहुत special है to be honest, क्योंकि हमारी alumni हैं. She's from my favorite department of TMUC, that is laws. So आपने law नाम से समझ ही लिया होगा कि we have a lawyer with us today. So straightforward उनकी तरफ चलते हैं. Assalamu alaikum Manur, how are you?
Walaikum salam sir, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm
as good as always. जैसे आप छोड़ के गई थी वैसे ही था मैं.
8 साल पहले.
Yeah. So Manur, पहले तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव यू ऑन द पॉडकास्ट. और मेरे लिए सबसे खुशी की बात ये होती है कि वो स्टूडेंट्स जो यहाँ से पढ़ के गए हैं, एंड व्हेन आई सी देम फ्लरिशिंग इन देयर करियर्स, सो नथिंग मेक्स मी मोर हैप्पी देन दैट. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी विद यू ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट टुडे.
Thank you sir, pleasure to be here.
सेम है. और दूसरा मुझे बताएं मानूर, क्या कर रही हैं आजकल?
आजकल वैसे सर यही कर रही हूँ. I'm seeing all of you every single day. I'm seeing as I'm the academic coordinator of the TMUC Law Department.
Yeah.
साथ साथ देख रही हूँ आगे मास्टर्स के क्या प्लान्स हैं, अगर हैं भी. But so far so good. I'm enjoying being a part of the same family that I studied from once before. And yeah, students खुद जलील कर रही है जिससे मैं जलील होती थी.
मैं भी यही पूछने लगा था. So how is it on the other side of the table for you?
The other side of the table is honestly awful. It is, oh my god.
Okay.
Like, I feel so bad for whoever was the coordinator during my time because it is no easy feat.
Yeah.
You know, my office is a revolving door of questions and problems and impatience. You know, if they need a password, they needed that second. If they need an assignment check, they needed that very second.
Yeah.
If they have a problem, it has to be resolved that very second.
So you have to be patient yourself, like at the very same time.
Yes, for sure. And I think that's a skill that I've learned over the years from being a teacher beforehand, for especially A-level students, which are a very next level kind of student. A bit more problematic than I would say university level students. So patience में वही develop हो गया था.
Patience हो गया था.
Yeah.
Like when you were like doing the law thing, or
Yes. So while studying at TMUC, I remember Sir Vikas and I would like sort of bump heads on this because I would sometimes be a little late to my classes because I was working part-time entirely.
Okay.
Since year one, I started off as a model UN and parliamentary debate coach at Beacon House and Roots as well. Their I9, previously I9 flagship campus.
अच्छा.
तो वहाँ बच्चों को मैं MUN ट्रेनिंग, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग पे ट्रेनिंग देती थी साथ साथ. वहाँ क्लास पढ़ाई, वापस आके अपनी क्लास ली, फिर क्लास पढ़ाई, फिर वापस आके अपनी क्लास ली.
अच्छा, very nice. So you've always been a hard worker.
I would say that.
Yeah.
I would, yeah.
It's trying to be humble.
That didn't give it hard.
Okay. So Manu, we'll start off with your early days. How did you land up in law?
So with law, I would just be very honest. I don't come from a family of lawyers. Yeah, not at all. So I had no, lawyers around me. But I watched this movie when I was little called Legally Blonde. It's about this character Elle Woods, she's kind of stupid, but she somehow ends up at Harvard Law.
Okay.
And I thought, well, if she could do it, I think I can do it too.
Okay.
I think I'm a bit smarter than her. So वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई, and moving forward, as you all might be able to tell, I love talking, and
I think the audience would tell that.
The audience would definitely be able to testify to that.
Okay.
So, being argumentative and talking is something I'm good at. And I said, why not monetize skills that I already have and further hone them, right? Than learning newer skills. So, being a barrister is definitely a dream of mine, and I hope to fulfill it one day.
So basically, you sort of converted something that you love into your career.
Yeah, and I think everyone should do that, right? So when you spend most of your life in an office or trying to make money, trying to earn your bread and butter, you need to find something you love and find a way to make money off of it.
So you were like focused कि मैंने lawyer बनना ही है.
बिल्कुल.
So it wasn't like me.
Oh no, what was your story?
My story was कि my parents wanted me to become a doctor. मैं engineer बनना चाहता था. मैंने कर ACCA लिया, 3 different domains, और मैंने कहा यार ये मैंने क्या कर लिया.
How do your parents feel now?
They're like, I guess, proud of me.
I'm sure. But back then क्या reaction था?
Well, मैं अगर आपको start करूँ तो my mother was like कि नहीं डॉक्टर ही बनना है. 2 भाई मेरे बन गए.
Mine too actually.
अच्छा, very nice. So my father was like always कि यार जो भी करो लेकिन give it your 200%.
Yeah.
And my siblings were like बस इंसान बन जाना जो. So लेकिन now I guess they're proud of me. I think they're proud of me.
Yeah, I'm sure that you're the head of the department.
Yeah.
If not now, then when?
सही. अच्छा ये तो उल्टा हो गया. अब मेरा इंटरव्यू शुरू होगी. अच्छा मानू, चले लॉ आपने डिसाइड कर लिया. आपने TMUC क्यों चूज किया?
Well, with TMUC, as you know, I'm a very type A person. मैं हर चीज़ जो भी करती हूँ ज़िंदगी में research करके करती हूँ. तो पहला सवाल, to an honest answer would be why TMUC? Well, I couldn't afford to go to London. But aside from that, I wanted to pick a degree that helps me reach my goal the fastest and most efficient way possible.
Okay.
मैंने 5 साल नहीं लगाने थे कुछ पढ़ते हुए, जो मैं 3 साल में पढ़ के फिर professional life शुरू कर सकती हूँ. So I sat down, I made a pros and cons list of all law schools in Pakistan, LUMS ho, NUST ho, any other transnational institute as well, and I said, what do I want? I want a place where I can get a degree in 3 years. I want teachers that are extremely helpful, जो मैं campus ना भी आऊँ, evaluation दे दे, थोड़ी सी मदद कर दे, and I want an atmosphere in which I can do what I love doing, which is I love mock trials, I love moot court competitions, and extracurricular activities, because उससे आपकी personality groom होती है. And honestly, campus life matters as well. So आजकल it's not, I wouldn't say, if not all, then most law schools in Islamabad are in houses. That's no place to have a learning environment, at least for someone.
वो घरों में प्लाज़ों में चला रहे होते हैं.
I wasn't a fan. So first I walked in, I said, okay, it's a great campus. I looked at the teachers, and they're some of the most qualified, inspiring lawyers in Islamabad. True. And I was sold. I had one look at the campus, one look at the teachers, and obviously Millennium Education is known for its extracurricular activities. And I was convinced.
Without any doubt. So चलें, आप TMUC आ गई, आपने choose कर लिया कि मैंने TMUC में पढ़ना है. So any one specific favorite teacher that you had in your academics?
Oh my God. Okay. One specific favorite teacher. I would say my favorite. I have 2 favorites. I'm gonna go against your rules. Okay. So my 2 favorites. One was Ma'am Iman Hamdi. She taught me contract law. And I liked her a lot because I guess I felt like in her classes they would be really fun for me. And they were the most interactive classes ever. Like मुझे full मौका मिल जाता था शोधी मारने का कि मुझे आता है, right? कुछ चीज़ आके पढ़ा के चले जाते हैं. She'd be like, अच्छा और फिर क्या होता है, इसका case क्या है? I'd be like, me?
You'll be like that.
I know the answer. I mean, my classmates hated me for that, obviously. फिर से आ गई है, शुरू हो गई है. But there was that. And Ma'am Humaira Masiyuddin. Ma'am Humaira is not just an inspiration to me as a teacher, but as an activist, as a lawyer, as a women's rights activist, as someone who's so spiritual and what's the word, knowledgeable and intellectual. Any conversation with her is like you've learned something new.
Definitely. Like whenever sort of I talk to her, so I learn like every day. मतलब वो कुछ ना कुछ सिखा के ही जाती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
And she's I guess a pretty much senior lawyer. काफी time से.
She's very senior. She's actually the most senior faculty member at TMUC. And what I love most about her is you can't tell by talking to her. Professional लोग जब एक point में आते हैं ना अपने career में, एक थोड़ी सी ego आ जाती है. Like where they don't want to talk to people perhaps. अकड़ सी आ जाती है. उनके अंदर कुछ humble and easy to talk to person in the world I've met. कोई नया student भी आए, वो उनको भी उसी तरह time देंगी, like time of day, and she'll have a conversation with them the same way she would speak to the HOD perhaps. The same level of respect and time and acknowledgement, and I love that about her.
I think ये कुछ ऐसी qualities हैं जो एक certain humble बंदे की होती हैं कि वो अगर let's suppose for example वो आपसे ज़्यादा experience भी है, and there's someone who's like sort of आपसे ऊपर a rank, so they'll give them respect, because that's what I believe. You give respect, you earn respect.
For sure.
So I think you'll agree with that as well.
I for sure do.
चलें जिंदाबाद. So आप TMUC में भी आ गई, law भी हो गया, ठीक है. वैसे like coming back to your law days, आप कितना मुश्किल था law करना, पढ़ाई में? How did you manage? क्या planning थी? Like fail हुई नहीं हुई?
No, I haven't. So I have a 2-1 upper class division.
अच्छा, nice.
So I think I did well, somewhat.
Yeah, हम तो hardly pass हुए थे.
But I will say law is definitely not as hard as people make it out to be.
Okay.
Obviously मैं इसको एक disclaimer दे दूँगी. मैं like हूँ थोड़ी बहुत, और मुझे पढ़ाई का शौक भी है. I am in academia.
अच्छा, ये weird है, पढ़ाई का शौक है.
पढ़ाई का मुझे बहुत शौक है.
क्योंकि normally students को नहीं होता.
तो मैंने civil service exam भी अभी दिया है.
अच्छा.
I'm just waiting for the result, but I like learning more. I actually even have a page literally called Learning with Manur, where if I learn something new about politics or international relations, I share it. So learning is a passion of mine.
So is that a like blog है क्या?
It's a blog. It's also a YouTube page.
अच्छा.
So sorry, the self promotion चल रही है, but yeah. So just like to sort of give evidence to that fact. But law is definitely only hard if you don't. I personally believe you're not passionate about it.
अच्छा.
अगर आपको कोई चीज बहुत अच्छी लगती है और आप करना चाहते हैं, तो आप सीख लेंगे. Obviously, rote learning, lots of reading work, practice हर डिग्री में है. चाहे आप आर्ट करें, चाहे आप ACCA करें, चाहे आप even dentistry kare, graphic design, whatever you do, it takes hard work.
Exactly.
And how do you make that hard work easier for yourself? Just make sure you like what you're doing.
Like to sum it up, there's no shortcut.
There's no shortcut.
Yeah, like you have to work hard for anything if you want to achieve.
You got to
something.
take the stairs.
Yeah.
No elevator.
True. Okay, so how difficult was it? Like थोड़ा सा आगे जाते हैं.
Yeah.
आपने लॉ कर लिया, ठीक है. अभी आपने बोला आपका 2-1 आया, right? और फिर how difficult was it to have that first step into your career?
For me, like I would say, it's very. When I see my peers who did not, while studying, do any internships, take up any apprenticeship work, it's quite difficult. It is a competitive world out there, and AI can outwrite any research report much better than you can.
Exactly.
So I would say this is like, if any young people are watching this, you need to gear up, get their CVs ready, and start working alongside your degree. I don't care kitna hard it is. At the end of the day, if you can volunteer as a freelance legal researcher for 2 hours a day to a senior lawyer, do it. किसी ने नहीं कहा कि आप डिग्री के साथ साथ फुल टाइम जॉब करें. इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. कोई नहीं कह रहा क्लासेस बंक करें. अगर आपकी दिन में 2 क्लासेस हो रही है, आप 3 बजे फारिग हो रहे हैं, तो 3 से 6 कहीं चले जाए. एंड कैसे जाएंगे? यू जस्ट हैव टू बैडजर पीपल. इस्लामाबाद या पाकिस्तान में जनरली इंटर्नशिप्स या नौकरियां मिलना मुश्किल है, बिकॉज पीपल डोंट वांट एक्स्ट्रा पीपल अराउंड द ऑफिस, राइट? वो क्यों बिठाएं? तो अपने कॉन्टैक्ट्स में देखें, अपने आस्क योर टीचर्स, because all of them work at law firms. Ask your admin members. The more places you send your CV to, at least someone is bound to respond.
True.
Right? So that's the way to go. And for me personally, itna mushkil nahi tha, because I started really early. I made sure, I'm like, okay, this is the goal I have. How do I get this goal? Well, if I want to be in the law fraternity, or if I want to be in education, I just need to make sure I have X amount of work experience. So मैंने O level से शुरू कर लिया था.
O level से शुरू कर लिया था.
Started from my O levels.
That's like pretty much early. मतलब मेरा ख्याल है जब हम मैट्रिक FSC में थे, उस वक्त हमारे क्या, जैसे अभी आपने, I was having a conversation with you previously, आपने कहा आपकी CV भी थी O levels में.
Yes. I made my first CV when I was at O levels, और उसमें मैंने इस तरह की चीजें लिख दी थी. Arrange bake sale for charity, hosted event for parent teacher meeting.
अच्छा.
ये सारी चीजें छोटी छोटी डाली हुई थी.
नहीं, I think मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही impressive है कि मतलब O levels. अच्छा, जिस तरह मैं अभी बोल रहा था कि हम मैट्रिक FSC में क्या करते थे, क्रिकेट खेलते थे, या कॉलेज चले जाते थे, या फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ जाते थे. सीवी नाम तो हमने सीखा ही तब जब हम कॉर्पोरेट उसमें आए.
मैंने भी वही चीज की थी. मैंने बैडमिंटन खेला था, तो मैंने लिख दिया कैप्टन बैडमिंटन क्लब. I put all of those things in my CV, and what did I do with it? I think age definitely should, at least in now's day and age, not be seen as a barrier. I know 14-year-olds with better Excel, PowerPoint, and Microsoft Word skills than most 40-year-olds I know. I'll say it. My brother can outwrite the Excel, and वो 14 साल का, and he can do it. And at the end of the day, to his age, so he would be an asset to any company he runs an intern, even as a 14-year-old or 15-year-old. Because then the older people working there could use some help with their Facebook, Instagram, or Excel. I'm just saying.
Definitely.
So the new generation is very tech savvy, and they're also very confident. अभी उनको कोई बोलते हुए देखे अपने माँ बाप के साथ, back in the day would get a backhand, So these kids are very confident, and we need to put them to use. So everyone should start young, and the sooner you start, the better, the more edge you will have over other people. कोई तो मेहनती नहीं है.
ये तो ऐसे ही है ना, जिससे when I became an accountant, और मैं जब अपनी पहली जॉब के लिए गया तो मेरा इंटरव्यू हो रहा था, तो I won't name the company and the guy. So the guy asked me कि यार Microsoft Office आता है, तो मैंने अब नौकरी स्कोर करनी थी. मैंने कहा हाँ जी बिल्कुल आता है. So अब जाहिर है वो जो अदर साइड ऑफ द टेबल होते हैं वो बच्चे तो नहीं होते, उनको पता होता है कि क्या आपकी पोजीशन है. So it was like कि अच्छा तो एक काम करना ना, जरा एक्सेल की शीट खोलें. अब मैंने तो नाम भी पहली दफा सुना था. So I was like, मैंने वो Microsoft Word खोल लिया, जो सामने लोगो है मैंने खोल लिया. So the guy immediately says कि अच्छा तो अब इसमें एक फॉर्मूला लगाएं. तो मैंने कहा यार वर्ड में फॉर्मूला भी होता है. तो मैं सर इतना नहीं आता. तो मुझे कहते हैं बॉस आपने एक्सेल नहीं खोला, आपने वर्ड खोला. So that's only कि आपने सीखा ही नहीं होता. और अभी आपने बताया कि your 14-year-old brother knows Excel.
Yeah, and no, not just him, his entire class knows.
अच्छा.
अब वो us back in the day हमारी ना ICT की क्लास होती थी, तो पेंट खोलते थे, पेंट के अंदर सर्कल बनाते थे. At least that's what was happening during my time. But in this time, they're properly being taught the proper formulas, the proper formats, and everything. So if these students, are taught also in school at that age, कि let's do volunteer work. I'm not saying कि हर बच्चों को 14 years को corporate offices में बिठा दें. But what can they do? मैंने भी अपनी जो पहली की थी, not internship, but volunteer work, मैंने किया था NGO के साथ. वहाँ बच्चों का समर कैंप चल रहा था, like 4-5 year olds का समर कैंप. I was 14-15, so I helped out. Art supplies कभी कर लेती थी gather, बच्चों की sheets पे उनके उनके education check कर लेती थी. It I can spell apple, so I could, as a 15-year-old, so I would just check those off. So when we give them, and also what that did for me was it gave me a sense of responsibility. Okay, when you treat young people as if you think that they're mature, then they'll start to act that way. जब आप किसी को बच्चों की तरह treat करेंगे तो वो बच्चों की तरह act करेंगे,
जिस तरह लेके चलेंगे वो उसी तरह चलेंगे आपके साथ.
So I think everyone should start on their CVs, on their professional life, and start now. कोई सीन ही नहीं है कि आप LLB के बाद शुरू करें, अपनी अंडर बैचलर्स डिग्री के बाद शुरू करें, because your competition is in waiting.
Yeah. True. You will be replaced like in no time.
Like in no time.
अगर वो आप वाली बात है कि आप start नहीं करेंगे from the very beginning, तो आप end up
smart English speaking kids, you know, इस तरह सब बोल सकते हैं, a dime a dozen these days. So what's your edge then? अंग्रेजी बोलना और एक अच्छी डिग्री लेना कुछ भी नहीं है.
True.
You need to have more on your, you know.
100%. So, मानू थोड़ा सा rewind button दबाएंगे. जब आप TMUC आई, आपने अपने friends भी बनाए होंगे, आपने अपने favorite teacher तो आप बता ही चुकी हैं, department भी आपको I'm sure अच्छा लगता होगा. So, what was your favorite hangout spot in TMUC with your friends? Like normally आप किधर बैठती थी, क्या होता था?
Our car. I'm joking.
अच्छा.
I feel like my favorite hangout spot in TMUC definitely had to be Sir Vakas's office.
अच्छा. and I believe he's your HOD, right?
That's Sir Vakas, Sheikh Vakas is our HOD, and वहाँ AC बहुत अच्छा चल रहा था. Common room would always be filled with other people. So us, you know, towards the teachers' pets type था. Sir Vakas, you know, would always be busy. He'd be running around. तो office खाली, you know, जब भी खाली मिलता था, हम वहाँ जाके बैठ जाते थे. We're shamelessly also eating there. When we're there to get our assignments checked, because we have a legitimate excuse to sit there then. But no, we would honestly just be sitting there and chilling. So class आते थे, उनसे भी थोड़ी back and forth बातें कर लेते थे. So it was a very, you know, relaxed and welcoming environment. But I honestly remember spending half my time either in a classroom or Sir Vakas's office with my friends, just using it as if it's our office.
Very nice. So Manu, अच्छा चलें, अगर ये तो आपका favorite hangout spot हो गया with your friends in TMUC. So what's your favorite place to hang out outside TMUC? किस जगह पे prefer करती हैं?
During my university days or today? I think during uni days, whenever we would have a 2-hour break between classes, जब भी कोई 2 घंटे होते तो हम यहाँ से जाते थे, we would go सीधा F10 Markers. तो देखते बजट क्या है आज का.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, तो बजट देखते थे कि बजट कम था तो कोई
being a student तो टाइट ही होता है.
टाइट ही था. तो कुछ दिन हम लोग ठीक है, हम लोग आज थोड़ा फैंसी फील कर ले, तो कोई अच्छी जगह चले जाते हैं, कोई डोमिनोज खा लेते हैं. जिस दिन बजट थोड़ा सा कम था, कोई टी से लाइक चाय पकड़ लेते थे, गाड़ी में पी लेते थे.
अच्छा. वो टिपिकल स्टूडेंट लाइफ होती है. क्या आप कोयटा से चाय भी पी लेंगे, डोमिनोज से पिज्जा भी खा लेंगे, या हो सकता है तो आप स्टेक्स पे सीफूड भी चले जाएं.
For sure. नहीं, इतना तो कभी नहीं. आज भी उसे कभी कभार जाते हैं.
वो obviously महंगाई इतनी है कि क्या करें बंदा.
That's true, but yeah, for sure.
चलें, बेहतरीन. Okay, मानूर, आपने बताया कि आपने studies start की, like I guess this was like 4 years back, right? Yeah. So उस वक्त का law, अच्छा हाँ, एक और बहुत important सवाल है मेरे mind में, आपने local law क्यों नहीं choose किया?
Local law, I just didn't choose for 2 reasons. Why would I pick a 5-year program when I can practice in Pakistan as a lawyer with a 3-year program? पहली बात तो ये. दूसरी बात है, जब आप 5 साल वाला LLB करते हैं, उसमें आप सिर्फ LLB सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं पढ़ते. You also study a BA के बेसिक सब्जेक्ट, उसमें पाक स्टडीज, इस्लामियात और उर्दू भी शामिल है आपके सब्जेक्ट इलेक्टिव्स में.
ये तो टोटली इररिलेवेंट नहीं हो जाता.
होता है, राइट? तो उनकी तरफ से ये आया हुआ है कि आपने ये सब्जेक्ट्स भी फिर से क्लियर करने थे. मैंने A levels में क्लियर कर लेते थे और O levels में कर लिए थे. Why should I have to do them again when I want to focus just on law? पहली चीज तो ये है. दूसरी चीज ये है कि again I wanted to save my time. I would be then 26 by the time I graduate. You know, I'm already working. I'm earning for myself. I'm, you know, paying my own bills, and my parents are super proud of me. I'm independent, and you know, this is only because I finished my degree sooner. It means I have 2 more years of work experience than someone who graduates right now.
Okay.
So why not? आपको इस्लामाबाद बार काउंसिल भी recognize करता है, AGC भी recognize करता है, और ये जो skills होती हैं, जो you know courts में किस तरह बोलते हैं, वो उन degrees में भी नहीं सिखाई जाती. जो practical skills है, right? You don't learn them in those schools and colleges anyway. So we might as well pick a degree that saves your time and your money and helps you join the professional world faster.
That's great. मानूर, बातें तो बहुत हैं. If we start talking, तो मेरा ख्याल है अगली रात भी हो जाए, उससे अगला दिन भी हो जाए. So any final advice that you like to give to any law student or any student in particular?
I think the final advice that I'd like to give is the only barrier between you and your dreams is yourself. And especially for the girls that are listening, you need to walk this earth thinking of yourself as delusionally smart and cool and ambitious and worthy as you can. I feel like women, when they're in an interview room, they're bound to ask for lesser pay. When they're giving their CV, they're bound to apply for maybe a officer position than a coordinator position. Be delusional, be outrageous in your thinking of yourself. Aim for the moon, land amongst the stars.
True.
So don't aim for the stars, so then you maybe land somewhere else. Aim for the moon and do it with the confidence of someone who shouldn't have that confidence.
Fantastic. So
people just need to believe in themselves more. That's what I firmly believe.
Well, I think that's important. You should have the belief in yourself.
Self-confidence. Obviously, not to a level that you're annoying and you're narcissistic. That's not it. Obviously, be respectful. And wo aapki jo ek aata hai, confidence kahin se aana chahiye. I feel like I had the CV, I had the work experience, I also have the confidence, and that's why I could be that. When I apply for jobs, they're like, "Aren't you a bit young?" I'm like, "Well, I think I'm smart, and I think I have the work experience, so I feel like I belong here." And that's what I said in my interview when I got this job, right? So I feel like people need to start. Every time I speak to somebody, even my friends, and I'm like, "Oh, वो Supreme Court की clerkship पे apply कर दी थी, कहती है नहीं यार मैं क्या?" I'm like, क्या मतलब नहीं यार, करो apply. What's the worst thing that's gonna happen? They're gonna say no. And then what? Life goes on. Do it again. And then
नई friend नहीं होती वहाँ पे.
It doesn't end with one no. I've heard so many no's. And then I heard those no's to get to the one yes that I needed to get me to the next stage of my life.
So persistence is the key, basically.
Persistence is the key, and the ability to take a no and take it well.
Great. So thank you for your time, Manu. I think ये काफी productive होगा हमारे students के लिए, and मेरे जिस तरह के podcasts होते रहेंगे और हम अपने alumni को बुलाते रहेंगे, and I think this is very informative for our students. वो इस तरह की जो हमारे alumni इनसे सीख सकते हैं, और मैं भी इनसे कुछ 2-4 चीजें सीख के जा रहा हूँ आज. So this is Hussam Iftikhar signing off from today's podcast. Thank you.
Thank you.